Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Robinhood. Alright, so let's begin. To get started, open the Robinhood app and tap the icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on the portfolio overview page, you will see a summary of your accounts. At the bottom, tap the transfer button. This will take you to the transfers page where you need to select the withdraw option. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Below the amount, you can check your available balance. Make sure you are withdrawing from your individual account and that your bank account is selected as the destination. Next, choose your withdrawal speed. Robinhood provides two options, standard and instant. Standard withdrawal is completely free and usually takes 4 to 5 business days to reach your bank account. Instant withdrawal sends the money to your debit card immediately but includes a minimum $1 fee. If you do not need the money right away, the standard option is usually the better choice since it is free. After selecting your preferred option, tap withdraw to complete the process. Your money will then be transferred back to your bank account. And that's it. This is how you can withdraw money from Robinhood. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.